Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Edmonston, local and long-distance movers near me. As exciting as it sounds moving to a new city, state, or country, it's not easy. It becomes more difficult if you're not familiar with the area's native language and people. 3 Movers in Edmonston offers moving services anywhere in the country or overseas. We also ensure that your worldly possessions reach the assigned location safely and on time. So you just have to relax, and our team will set up your home or apartment for you. We are also an insured company in case any of your products get damaged, and we will surely compensate it for you. Moving into a new house right around the corner, but unsure how to shift all your stuff? 3 Movers in Edmonston is at your service. We will pack all the items carefully and shift them to your new location in timely manners. Our team members are punctual and professional, so you don't have to worry about the safety of your possessions. So leave your packing and unpacking worries on us. Until then, enjoy your time meeting your new neighbors. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Edmonston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.